Hi friends, welcome to Joshka's journey. And first of all, I would like to say a big thank you guys cuz we reached 50 subscribers. So really thank you guys for supporting me and let's just grow together. So as today's special, we are going to be making delicious chocolate mug cake. So let's see the recipe. First, take 2.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, which is maida, and then add the same quantity of sugar. Then add a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and then 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. And now mix them well. So for the wet ingredients, use 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 small egg, and instead of that you can also use mashed bananas or condensed milk. So next add 1 teaspoon of oil. Our delicious chocolate mug cake is ready. Looks so good guys and smells extraordinary. So let's taste it. So I'm going to be eating it. So good guys. It is definitely worth the try guys. It's so good. Please try it and comment down below your experience, and hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. Bye.